Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين واللعنة على أعدائهم من الآن إلى يوم الدين. أما بعد، فقد قال الله سبحانه وتعالى في كتابه المجيد والفرقان الحميد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ربي زدني علما. صدق الله العلي العظيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Can everyone hear me? I think you should be able to unmute yourself as well. Yes, you should be. Yep. Right. So, where have we reached in the book itself? Does anyone remember? Sayyid Abbas Kazmi, Sister Parveen Razai.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam to Allah, sister. So, where have you reached in the book?
And the book one, I'm sorry I was 2 weeks absent, but maybe we have the lesson 5.
Correct. That's what I remember myself. Sayyid Abbas Kazmi or Sayyid Johar Naqvi. Do you remember?
Yes, lesson 5.
That's right. So we're going to start lesson 5 itself because we was doing the verbs for 2 weeks. And then I said we'll start lesson 5 itself. Okay. Now, before I start lesson 5, I'm going to talk about the lesson is about mudaf and mudaf ilay. It's about possession of objects. And to understand this lesson, it's easier if we go to the actual points to remember. I will ask Brother Muhammad Raza to read the points to remember, and inshallah then we will start the lesson itself. Brother Muhammad Raza.
Sure. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaykum salam to Allah. So if you remember the points to remember, we'll talk about mudaf and mudaf ilay. That the like, for example, kitabu Bilalin, it will be translated Bilal's book. So it was originally Bilal kitabun and Bilalun, but when you make it possession and you want to say Bilal's book, you will say kitabu Bilalin, book of Bilal. And then also we have the other type of mudaf ilay is that the second noun comes with alif lam. So al-imamu originally was al-imamu, but because it became mudaf and mudaf ilay and is becoming possession, it becomes the imam's house. So inshallah, if we read this, we'll understand. Bismillah.
In this lesson, we will learn the following. Kitabu Bilalin, Bilal's book. Baytul Imami, the Imam's house. In Kitabu Bilalin, the first word is the thing possessed. It is called mudaf. The second word, Bilalin, is the possessor. It is called mudaf ilahi. Note that the mudaf takes neither the definite nor the indefinite article. So it is wrong to say Kitabun Bilalin or Al-Kitabu Bilalin. The mudaf is definite by position and does not need the definite article. The mudaf ilahi is in the genitive case. It can have tanween as in the first example or alif lam al as in the second example. So Bilalun becomes Baytu Bilalin. Al-Imamu Baytul Imami. Kitabu Man, whose book. Note that man is not the genitive case because it is indeclinable. That is, it does not change to indicate its function. There are some indeclinable nouns in Arabic which remain unchanged. Ala maktabil mudarrisi. Note that maktabi is in the genitive case because of the preposition ala, and al-mudarrisi is in the genitive case because it is mudaf ilahi. 2. Tahta, under. The noun following tahta is in the genitive case because it is mudaf ilahi. Tahta al-kitabi or tahta al-maktabi. Ya is a vocative particle. A noun following ya has only one dhamma. Ya Ustadu, Ya Shaykhu, Ya Bilalu, not Ya Bilalun. The words Ismun and Ibnun commence with Hamzatul Wasl. When preceded by a word, the initial I is dropped in pronunciation. Ismul waladi Bilalun, Wasmul binti Aminatu. Ibnul Mudarrisi Tabibun, Wabnul Imami Tajirun. Aina ibnu Hamidin. Vocabulary. Rasul, the messenger. Al-Ammu, paternal uncle. Al-Shari'u, street. Al-Ka'batu, the Kaaba. Al-Khalu, maternal uncle. Mughlaqun, closed or shut. Al-Ismu, name. Al-Haqibatu, bag or case. Tahta, under or beneath. Al-Ibnu, son. Al-Sayyaratu, car. Huna, here. Hunaka, there. Al-Bintu, daughter or girl. Tabibu, doctor. At-Tabibu, doctor.
Jazakallah brother. So the main thing which we need to remember is this. If we look over here, so Baytun was originally that every word gets a dhamma tanween. So it's Baytun and Bilalun. And when you want to indicate that the house belongs to Bilal, then Baytun loses its tanween, as you have read that the mudhaf, the mudhaf itself, the possessed, is itself definite, so it does not require alif lam, and neither it requires a tanween. So we never say al baytu or baytun. Will be only one dhamma, baytu, and the second noun it gets a kasra tanween as long as it does not have alif lam. So baytu bilalin. So bilalin is called majroor. In Arabic, it's called the genitive case. And over here now, this is an example where as you can see here, it is called mudhaf, and the second part is the possessor. So kitabu bilalin, the first part is the thing possessed, mudhaf, and the second word bilal is the possessor. So here baytu is the possessed, al-bilali is the person who is possessing the house. So because al-imam is coming with alif lam, we are reciting it with one kasra, baytul imami. Inshallah, when I go through the lesson, I'll emphasize this again. Right, let's go back. So lesson number 5. Where are we? Right, let's start now. Ad-darsul khamis, so the 5th lesson. Sa'idun, akitabu Muhammadin, hada ya Yasir. So here, as you remember, is a question, interrogative particle for asking question. Originally, it was kitabun and Muhammadun. So here, kitabu is coming one dhamma, and Muhammadun is mudhaf ilay. So hada means this. Ya is a vocative particle for asking question. Oh, so you would translate this. Oh Yasir, is this Muhammad's book? Oh Yasir, is this Muhammad's book? Yasir replies, La, no. Hada kitabu Hamidin. No, this is Kitabu Muhammadin. It means literally book of Muhammad. So the other way of knowing if it's mudhaf ilay, it has in the English language, you may have sometimes the word of. So when you have of, it implies that it's a mudhaf and mudhaf ilay. So Yasir says, no, this is book of Hamid or Hamid's book. Sa'id, Aina Kitabu Muhammadin. Where is Muhammad's book or book of Muhammad? And as you may remember, like in lesson 4, we spoke about that in the Arabic language, we don't have it to refer to objects. So instead of that, the nouns in Arabic language are either masculine or, say the boss, masculine or
Feminine.
feminine. Exactly. So the masculine, and then instead of that, we use a pronoun huwa. If it's masculine, we use huwa. And if the noun is feminine, we use hiya, which means she normally. But when it refers to an object, it becomes in the meaning of it. So because here, the thing which is being possessed is kitab, not Muhammad. It's always the thing which is possessed, which determines whether we use huwa or hiya. So kitab is masculine, so we use huwa. Huwa tahta al-maktabi hunaka. It is underneath the desk there. Then, Aina daftaru Ammarin. Where is the notebook of Ammar? Daftar is masculine, so we use huwa. Huwa ala al-maktab al-mudarrisi. It is under the desk, under the teacher's desk. Sa'id, Kalamu man hadha ya Ali. Whose pen is this, O Ali? O Ali, whose pen is this? Ali responds, says, Hada qalamul mudarrisi. Hada qalamul mudarrisi. This is pen of the teacher or the teacher's pen. Aina haqibatul mudarrisi. Where is the bag of the teacher or the teacher's bag? Because now here haqibatun is feminine, we use hiya. Hiya tahtal maktabi. It is underneath the desk. Right. I'm going to ask Sister Parveen Razai to come on the mic.
Yes, Sheikh.
Can you read this page?
Sa'id. كتاب محمد هذا يا ياسر. Is this book of Muhammad, O Yasir?
Okay.
Yasir replied, لا هذا كتاب حامد. No, this is Hamid's book.
Excellent.
Sa'id. أين كتاب محمد? Where is Muhammad's book? هو تحت المكتب هناك. It's under the desk. Sa'id.
It is under the desk there.
There.
Hunaka means
هناك.
there.
There. Okay. Sa'id. أين دفتر حمار? Where is the notebook of Ammar?
Right.
Yasir. هو على المكتب المدرسي. Yasir reply, it is on the teacher table.
Correct.
Sa'id. قلم من هذا يا علي. Who is this pen, O Ali?
Correct.
Ali. هذا قلم المدرسي. This is teacher pen.
Excellent.
سعيد. أين حقيبة المدرسي? Where is the bag of teacher? علي. هي تحت المكتب. It is under the desk.
Excellent. It is under the desk. Can I have next on the mic Sister Zainab Nadiri?
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah, Sister. Can you read on the same page, please?
Okay. سعيد أكتاب محمد هذا يا ياسر. Saeed, is this Muhammad's book, O Yasir? Yasir, لا هذا كتاب محمد. No, this is Hamid's book. سعيد أين كتاب محمد? Where is Muhammad's book? ياسر هو تحت المكتب. ياسر هنالك. Yasir, it's under the desk there.
Correct.
And Saeed, أين دفتر عمار? Where is Ammar's notebook? ياسر هو على المكتب مكتب المدرسي. It's on the teacher's desk. سعيد قلم من هذا يا علي? سعيد, whose pen is this? Oh, Ali. علي هذا قلم المدرس. Ali, this is teacher's pen. سعيد أين حقيبة مدرسي? Where is teacher's bag? علي هي تحت المكتب. It is under the desk.
Excellent. Can I have next on the mic? Sister Mehtab.
السلام عليكم.
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله. Sister Mehtab. Bismillah.
سعيد الكتاب محمد هذا يا ياسر. Is book of Muhammad or Yasir, is this book of Muhammad? Yasir لا هذا كتاب حامد. No, this is Hamid's book. سعيد أين كتاب محمد? Where is Muhammad's book? Yasir هو تحت المكتب هناك. It is underneath the desk over there. سعيد أين دفتر عمار? Where is Ammar's notebook? Yasir هو على مكتب مدرسي. It is on the teacher's desk. سعيد قلم من هذا يا علي? Whose pen is it, O Ali? Or you have to start with O Ali, whose pen is it?
Right.
علي هذا قلم المدرس. This is the teacher's pen. سعيد أين حقيبة المدرس? Where is the teacher's bag? Ali هي تحت المكتب. It is beneath the desk.
Excellent. Excellent. I would like Sayyida to come on the mic. Sayyida, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Bismillah.
Alaikum salam.
Let's read this page. Then let's
Saeed, الكتاب محمد هذا يا ياسر. Is this Muhammad's book? Oh, Yasir? لا, هذا كتاب حامد. No, this is Hamid's book. أين كتاب محمد? Where is Muhammad's book? هو تحت المكتب هناك. It is under the desk there.
Excellent.
أين دفتر عمار? أين دفتر عمار? Where is Ammar's book? هو على مكتب المدرس. It's on the teacher's desk.
Excellent.
قلم من هذا يا علي? Whose pen is this, O Ali? هذا قلم المدرس. This is the teacher's pen. أين حقيبة المدرس? Where is the teacher's bag? هي تحت المكتب. It is under the desk.
Excellent. Excellent. Can I have Abbas Kazmi on the mic for a second?
Saeed, Al-Kitabu Muhammadin Haza Ya Yasiru. Is this Muhammad's pen? I'm sorry, Muhammad's book. Yasir, oh Yasir.
Right.
La Haza Kitabu Hamidin. No, this is Hamid's book. Saeedin, Aina Kitabu Muhammadin. Where is Muhammad's book? Huwa Tahtal Maktabi Hunaka. It is here under the desk. There.
It is there.
It is under the desk there.
Correct.
Aina Daftaru Amari. Where is Ammar's notebook?
Correct.
Huwa ala maktabi bil mudarrasi. It is under the teacher's desk.
Correct.
It is on the teacher's desk. Kalamu man haza yaliyo. Is this Ali's pen? Oh, Ali's pen.
Oh,
Oh, Ali, is this?
Ya Ali. Oh, Ali. Whose pen is
Oh,
it?
Ali, whose pen is this? Oh, Ali, whose pen is this? Haza kalamul mudarrasi. This is the teacher's pen. Aina hakibatul mudarrasi. Where is the teacher's bag?
Excellent.
Aliyun hiya tahtul maktabi. It is under the desk.
It is under the desk. Excellent. Brilliant. Now, I'm going to ask Sister Parveen to come on the mic. Not Sister Parveen, Sister Samina Hemani. Sister Samina Hemani.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam. I'm going to ask you some different questions. So I'm going to ask you a few technical questions. So over here, where is the mudaf ilayh in these two sentences?
Kitab Muhammadin. So kitab is mudaf ilayh.
No, kitab is mudaf, and the thing who is possessing the book is Muhammad. So always the second noun, like I'll give you an example. Kitabullahi.
Yeah.
When you see Kitabullahi, Allah's book, the book is the thing which is possessed. Allah is the possessor of the book. So Kitabullah. So Kitab is mudaf, Muhammad is mudaf ilayh.
Yeah. Muhammad is mudaf ilayh and kitab is mudaf.
And what's the harakat? Why is it Kitabu? Why we cannot say Kitabun?
Because mudaf is always with is never with never with tanween.
Excellent.
And mudaf ilayh is always with kasra.
Excellent. If I said Al-Kitabu Muhammadin, is that correct?
Al-Kitabu. No.
That's correct.
Because mudaf is never comes with alif lam or tanween.
Excellent. Yeah. So mudaf never comes with alif lam or tanween. It only comes. It can come with a dhamma or a fatha or a kasra. It can come with those rakats, but it doesn't come with a tanween itself. Okay.
True.
Let's move on. Now over here, Brother Muhammad Raza mentioned the word tahta. Whenever tahta means, what does tahta mean?
Under.
Under, yeah. So whenever tahta comes, it's an adverb. Tahta means underneath, yes? It indicates upon place.
Yes.
So words which indicate upon place and time, they are always coming as mudaf and mudaf ilayh. So it always comes, tahta always comes with a fatha. It never changes.
True.
Okay, so tahta al-maktabi. So al-maktabi is alif lam, so it's getting one kasra. Correct?
Yes.
Now here, Aina daftar Ammarin. What's happening here?
Daftar Ammarin, the same thing. Daftar is the possessed of Ammar. So daftar is muzaf and Ammar is muzaf ilayh. That's why there is kasra in Ammar and.
Excellent. Now over here, I mentioned a point earlier on. I want to see whether you was listening or not carefully. So it says here, huwa ala maktabil mudarrisi. So where is the mudaf ilay and mudaf, and why is it maktabi?
Maktabi is because it comes after Allah. Allah is preposition. Whatever comes after preposition, it comes with kasra. It's majroor, yes. That's why it's maktabi. And mudarrisi is because it comes after the maktabi, so it's muzaf ilayh also, and because maktabi is kasra, that's why mudarrisi is also kasra.
No. Al-mudarrisi, regardless of maktabi, al-mudarrisi always comes with kasra because it's mudaf ilayh, not because of maktabi.
Yeah, it's muzaf ilayh also, and it's not jar majroor.
No. Ala is jara majroor.
Okay, yeah. Maktabi is majroor. Okay.
So here, ala maktab al-mudarrisi. So maktab itself, it can come with either a dhamma, if it's in the beginning of the sentence, like for example, Aina kitabu Muhammadin. So normally it will be given a dhamma, but if it comes out, if before it, a harf jar, a preposition like ala, which is a particle, a preposition, it can change the harakat of the mudaf. So it can come maktabi and it still be deemed as mudaf itself. Is that clear for everyone in the class?
Yes.
Mr. Mehtab?
Yes, it's clear. Thank you, Sheikh.
Agha Muhammad Raza?
Yes, it's clear.
Sayyid Abbas Kazmi?
Yeah.
So even though it's mudaf ilayh, normally mudaf ilayh, the mudaf will get a dhamma, but if the mudaf comes after a preposition like ala, originally if ala wasn't there, Abbas Kazmi, If Allah wasn't there,
Yeah.
how would we read it? Would we still read it Maktabil Mudarrisi, or would we read it something else?
If Allah wasn't there, then it will be changed.
To what?
It will be Maktabul Mudarrisi.
Excellent. I was just checking that you're with. Okay, that's brilliant. So Sister Zainab Nadri, is that clear for you as well?
Yes, Sheikh.
Brilliant. So this is a really important one, and that's the reason why I made Sister Samina read the text in a different method. Thank you. Sister, where's it gone?
If we have to say that, where is my book? How are we going to say that?
Aina Kitabi.
Aina kitabi. Okay.
So you add the
Thank
ya at the end of the word kitab. That means my book. Aina Kitabi.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, go, Sister Samina. Go on the next page.
Okay.
Let's read this now. It says, answer the following questions.
This one, just a second. Aina
Aina
kitab Muhammadin. That's what.
Yep.
Do you want me to answer that?
Yes, please.
Kitabu Muhammadin Tahtal Maktabi.
Translate, please.
Where is Muhammad's book? Muhammad's book is under the table.
Excellent.
Aina
one.
Kitabu Ammarin. Kitabu Ammarin Alal Sarirati.
The word ala sariri. It's
Ala
normally-
Sariri.
Yeah, ala sariri. Yeah,
Ala
fantastic.
Sariri, yeah.
What does that mean?
It's on the bed. Book of Ammar is on the bed.
And if you want to say, instead of saying Kitabu Ammarin ala sariri, if you want to say it is on the bed, how would you say that in Arabic?
Huwa ala Sariri.
Huwa ala sariri. Excellent. Now, Aina Hakibatul Mudarrisi. Translate.
Where is teacher's bag?
Yep.
Here, Tahtal Maktabi. It's under the table.
I
Desk.
want you to change this now. I want you to say it is in the kitchen.
Here, Fil Gurfati. No,
Here,
Matbakhi.
fil matbakhi. And if you said ghurfati, what does that mean?
Gurfati is the room,
Excellent, good girl.
and Matbakhi is the kitchen.
Ahsanti, excellent sister. Now I want you to now tell me what's the difference between the two here. So here, that's not fair on you. Let me explain first. Now, kitabun and muhammadun. So these are the words normally before they become mudaf and mudaf ilay. So kitabun and muhammadun are words before they are made in a composition of mudaf ilay. So when you want to make it mudaf, you will say kitabu muhammadin. And
yes.
the word maktabun and al-mudarrisu, so the second noun has alif lam. So when you want to make that mudaf ilay, it will be maktabul mudarrisi. So if the mudaf ilay is without alif lam, it gets what, Sister Samina?
That kasra.
Kasra tanween.
Yes. Kitabu Muhammadin.
Muhammadin.
Yes.
And then if it's with alif lam, the mudaf ilay, the possessor.
Just the kasra.
Just the kasra. Excellent. Now, as you have done, now I want you to read what this example, qalam, miftah, and then you can choose the next student to come on the mic.
Okay. Kalamu Hamidin Miftahul Baiti.
Excellent. Can you choose the next student to come on the mic now?
Okay. Sister Mehtab Walji.
Sister Mehtab Walji.
Okay. Baytu Abbasin Dukkanu Tajiri. غرفة علي بيت المهندس. دفتر سعيد اسم الولد. منديل ياسر كتاب الله. قميص you want me to continue?
Can you choose another student now, please?
Yeah.
Zainab Nadri. She hasn't had a chance yet.
Okay. Qamisu Ammarin Bintul Tabibi. Sarirun سرير خالد مفتاح السيارة.
Correct. Continue. Do another.
Okay, they were the last ones. Yeah.
Yeah. So on the next page, I want you to do this now. So over here, what's happened is that you
Mhm.
need to read the mudaf, mudaf ilayh correctly. And also what's happening, a harf jar, a preposition is also coming. And when a preposition is coming, as Sister Samina explained, that the preposition can still act into the mudaf despite it being mudaf, mudaf ilayh. So you will have those examples as well. So Bismillah, sister.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Babul madrasati. Himarur rajuli.
Maru Rajuli, correct?
Baitu Hamidin. Sayyaratul mudiri. Mindilu Ammarin. Ismut talib bi. Baitullahi. في كتاب الله من البيت المدرس على مكتب المدير.
على مكتب, actually you know it. Yeah, so في كتاب الله من بيت المدرس على مكتب المدرس. So when they're coming, this is what's happening. Brilliant. Okay, now I want you to choose. Okay, I'll choose next. Sister Sayyida, can you come on the mic, please?
Sure.
So I want you to read 1 to 4. So here it's, and also tell me where the mudaf, mudaf ilayh are as well.
All right. Okay. أين بيت المدرس هو بعيد. Where is the, do you want me to translate?
Yes, please, as well. Yes.
Okay. Where is the house of the teacher? Where is the teacher's house? It's far. So the mudaf is بيتو and مضاف إليه is المدرسي.
Excellent.
القرآن كتاب الله. The Quran is the book of Allah. So the mudaf is al-Quran and mudaf ilayhi is, no wait, the mudaf ilayhi is Allah and kitab is a mudaf.
Correct. Correct.
Al-Ka'batu Baytullahi. Kaaba, the Kaaba is the house of Allah. Allah is the mudaf ilayhi and mudaf is Baytu.
So no, start from, you're doing the other way around. Let's do first. Bayt is mudaf, Allah is mudaf ilayh. Okay, is that okay? So rather than Allah is mudaf ilayh, start from the first one. Bayt is mudaf and Allah is mudaf ilayh.
Okay.
Okay, that's the easy way of doing it. Okay, that's brilliant. Thank you. Last one, number 4, Muhammad.
Muhammadun sallallahu alayhi wasallam Rasulullah. Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. So Rasul is the mudaf and Allah is the mudaf ilayh.
Excellent. Agha Muhammad Raza, can you do the next one? Next two.
خرج المدرس من غرفة المدير. The teacher went or exited from the room.
Whose room?
Principal's room.
Principal's room.
Principal's
And
room, yeah.
why is it min ghurfati?
Because every time there's a min, so there's, or a preposition, then it will be a kasra.
That's right. That's right. Number 6.
هذا بيت حامد وذلك بيت خالد. This is Hamid's house and that is Khalid's house.
Excellent. Can I have next on the mic, Sister Zainab Nadiri, and then I'll Parveen Razai after that.
Okay. Aina Amma. Sorry. Ibn al-Ammari. Oh, sorry. Just a second. Ibnu Ammari Talibun.
Ibnu Ammarin. Ammar is without alif lam. So Ammarin.
Okay, sorry. My eyesight is very bad. Ibnu Ammarin Talibun.
Correct.
Wabnu Yasirin Tajiru.
Correct.
Ammar's son is a student and Yasir's son is a merchant.
Excellent.
So in here, Ammar is Muzaf. No,
Yes, that's right. Ibn.
I'm lost.
Yeah, Ibn
Is
is Ibn is mudaf, Ammarin is mudaf ilay. Correct. Always
Okay.
first is possessed, and the second one is the possessor. So that always the second noun in the mudaf ilay is the person who possesses the first noun.
Okay. So Ammar is Muzaf. Ibn Ammar is Muzaf. Talibun.
Ibn is mudaf, Ammarin is mudaf ilay.
Ibn is Muzaf. Ammar is Muzaf.
Correct.
Okay. And Ibn Yasir is the same. Okay.
Correct.
Baitul Mudarrisu Ba'idun wa Baitul Tajiru Qarib.
Bait Mudarrisu is incorrect. Baitul
Mudarrisi.
Correct.
Sorry. Baitul Mudarrisi Ba'idun wa Baitul Tajiri Qaribun.
Correct.
The teacher's house is far and the merchant's house is near.
Correct.
Okay. So Bait is Muzaf, Al-Mudarris is Muzaf ilay.
Excellent. Excellent.
Haza Miftahu Sayyarati. Aina Miftahul Baiti. This is the key of, this is the car's key. Where is the house key?
Excellent. Jazakallah, sister. Where is the mudaf ilay?
Miftah is Muzaf, As-Sayyaratu Muzaf ilay.
Excellent.
And same with Miftah is Muzaf, Al-Bayt is Muzaf ilay.
Excellent. Jazakallah. Sayyid Abbas Kazmi, can you come on the mic? And then after that, sisters.
Man anta ya walidun, ana ibnun Abbasin. Ya waladu, ana ibnu Abbasin. Where is the son?
No, man anta.
Mano, who?
Exactly. Man anta.
What?
Who are you, oh boy?
Who are you, oh boy? And I am son of Abbas.
Correct.
Wabno man huwa ibnu Khalidin. And who are you? Whose son are you?
Correct. Whose son are you?
He is the son of Khalid.
Excellent.
Aina masjidu Rasul.
Man huwa is going to be the same thing. Whose son are you or whose son?
No, man huwa means who is this? Who is he? Man huwa is who is he? And yeah, and when you say wabnu man huwa means son of whose son are you? Whose son are you? So ibnu man huwa means whose son are you?
Aina masjidu Rasulillahi sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Where is the Rasul's mosque?
Correct.
Huwa fil Madinatil Munawwara. It is in Madinatul Munawwara.
Excellent. Jazakallah, Sayyid. Any questions, Sayyid?
No, Jazakallah.
Brilliant. Can I have now Sister Parveen Razai? And then after Sister Parveen Razai, Agha Sayyid Johar, would you be able to come on the mic or would you just like to be passive? Okay, I think I'll wait for him. If not, then Samina Himani will be next. Go ahead, Sister Parveen Razai. Number 13, 14, and 15.
بنت حامد في المدرسة وبنت حامد في الجامعة.
محمد.
وبنت محمد في الجامعة. The Hamid daughter in the school and Muhammad's daughter in university.
Excellent.
اسم المدرس سعيد واسم المهندس خالد. The teacher name is Saeed and Muhandis.
Yeah, the teacher's name is Saeed and the
Saeed and واسم مهندس خالد and the
engineer's name is
Khalid.
Correct.
أم طالب غني. The Khalin's uncle
Yep.
is rich. The student's uncle is rich.
Yeah, uncle. Yeah, Talib, uncle of the student is rich.
Uncle of a student is rich. باب المسجد مفتوح وباب المدرسة مغلق.
Excellent.
The masjid door is open and the school door is closed.
Correct.
خال حامد فقير. The Hamid's uncle is poor.
Correct. Khalu Hamid and Fakir. Hamid's uncle is poor.
Hamid's uncle is poor.
Jazakallah, sister. Any questions?
No, I'm trying to understand. Mazaf and Mazaf alayh also.
So Khalu is mudaf, Hamidin is mudaf ilay.
Mazaf alayh.
And Bab Bul Masjid. You see that the second noun will always get a kasra or a kasra tanween. So Babul Masjidi,
Okay.
of the masjid, is mudaf ilay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. Can I have the next student on the mic? Sister Samina?
Yes. Sayyaratu Abbasin fil share. Car of Abbas is in the street. Aina man anta? Where are you?
No. Ibnu man anta.
Ibnu man anta. Whose son are you?
Correct.
Ana Anabnul Mudarrisi. I'm the son of the teacher.
Excellent.
Anal Kalbu, where is the dog? Huwa tahta sayyarati. It's under the car.
Correct. Excellent. Okay, now I want you to, sister. Let me just see what I'm going to do. Right, I'm going to do this exercise and then I'm going to leave the rest for homework for you to do.
We're not doing the conjugation today?
Conjugation, we have completed it to some extent. So inshallah, I'll come back to it next week, next lesson, because next lesson, the reason why I'll come next to it, because lesson number 6 is short. So I'll come back to it on the conjugation in the next lesson, inshallah, because we'll do the exercise of lesson 5 and do lesson number 6 as well, inshallah. Okay.
Okay.
So what I want you to do, I want you to read. Where is it gone? Over here. This exercise I want you to do. It says make sentence by filling in the blanks. So I want you to do 1 and 2, and then I'll bring someone else on the mic. So remember that the mudaf never has alif lam and never has a tanween. So you need to put a mudaf in this sentence. So the house is locked.
Babul Baiti Moghlakun. Aina and Mudarris Mudarrisi. No, Aina Mudarrisu Sayyarati.
So you will say, so the first one, so the first one is correct. Babul Bayti Moghlakun, and then Aina, something of the car.
Aina Miftahu Sayyarati.
Exactly. Aina Miftahu Sayyarati. Where is the
car's key?
Car's key. Excellent. Can you choose the next student to come on the mic now?
Okay. Sister Fatma.
Yep. Sister Fatima.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum
I
assalam.
just joined in.
Is you today, Sister Fatima? You're saying first class today.
Where are we exactly?
Okay, so Sister Fatima. Okay, yeah. We are lesson number. We are. So inshallah, you can join the 8 o'clock class. So this one, this is the class which is on lesson number 5. So inshallah, at 8 o'clock, we will have the class which will start from lesson 1, inshallah.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, so by all means, you can listen to the class today. If you find this class that is suitable for you, by all means, you can join this class. But I think maybe if you want to have a chance to read.
Sure.
Okay.
From Begin?
No, from here, 3 and 4. This is talking about mudaf ilay. So it's in Muhammadun sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now you need to put a word after Rasul. What should it be?
Well, I have no idea at the moment.
That's fine.
Are there some vocabs where I can choose from?
No, the thing is, the whole exercise is to make students use the vocab which they have learned already. So that's perfectly fine. That's perfectly fine. Inshallah, I will. What we'll do, inshallah, I will join the class 1, and that will suit yourself, inshallah. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
No problem, sister. Right. So, sister, let's choose Sister Mehtab.
Okay. محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم رسول الله بيت الطبيب بعيد القرآن كتاب الله خديجة أخو حامد.
Okay, so you say Khadijatu Akhu Hamidin, yeah, correct. Khadijatu Akhu Hamid, what does that mean? So Khadijatu, you say Khadijatu Ukhtu.
Ukhtu.
Yeah.
Okay.
Akhun means brother, Ukhtu means sister. So Khadijatu Ukhtu, Khadija is sister of Hamid.
Okay. Ukhtu is sister. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Agha Muhammad Raza, number 7 and 8.
أنا بنت المدرس. So I am the teacher's son.
Ana bintul, yeah.
And قلم طالبي مكسور. The pen of the student is broken.
Excellent.
باب المسجد مفتوح.
باب المسجد مفتوح.
The door of the mosque is open.
Correct.
خرج المدرس من من غرفة المدير. خرج المدرس من غرفة المدير. The teacher left the principal's room.
Yep. Excellent. Can anyone else? Can you choose a sister? Say that. I want you to read 1 to 10 now. All of them.
Okay. باب البيت مغلق. أين مفتاح السيارة؟ محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم رسول الله. بيت الطبيب بعيد. القرآن كتاب الله. خديجة بنت حامد.
Correct.
أنا ابن المدرس.
أنا ابن المدرس. Correct.
أنا ابن المدرس. قلم الطالب مكسور.
Correct.
باب السيارة مفتوح.
باب السيارة مفتوح. Excellent.
خرج المدرس من غرفة مديري.
من
Can't
غرفة
think of any other word.
Yeah, that's perfect. The teacher exited from the room of the manager. Excellent. That's perfectly fine. That's very good. Right now, page number. So I want you to finish off the lesson, finish the exercise of 6, and then do this as well. There's only a bit, 1 or 2 things. So the majority of the lesson we have covered. So finish this lesson 5 off. Then once we do lesson 6, I will also next week go through the exercise and finish the whole lesson off, and then do a bit more practice on the verbs. And then the following week, inshallah, we will lesson number 7, and then we've got 3 more weeks of Arabic. And then after that, I will take about 3 to 4 sessions to revise the whole book before we start book 2, inshallah. Any questions from anyone? Inshallah, hope today's lesson was beneficial for everyone, inshallah.
Yeah, it's always beneficial.
Yes.
Jazakallah, thank you. I have a question. Where can we get the book, Sheikh? Because my eyesight is really bad.
Right, you live in Milton Keynes. So Milton Keynes, if